A very cool good morning to everyone. This is Jansi. I'm studying 10th grade in Phoenix Global School. Today I am here to participate on Phoenix Stars. My category is public speaking. And today, thanks in advance for your encouragement and support. My topic is importance of agriculture and need of green revolution. Agriculture is a method useful to increase the crop production, and agriculture is also a art. And agriculture is very useful in our lives and in farmers' lives also. But the day by day, the rate of interest of agriculture was decreasing a lot, and now it is in 10% out of 100%. So this causes to decrease the agriculture in the world. So farmers are trying to make and prove that agriculture is not only the cultivation of the crops, it is an art. We can easily learn. For you all to understand, let us take one example. That is in Maharashtra, one village is there. That is Nilanga village. On the year 2020, farmers are cultivated the great King Shivaji's shape. On that time, it becomes very popular, and this makes and proves that agriculture is not only the cultivation of the crops, it is an art. And I am telling that agriculture and so many agriculture scientists, so many agriculture doctors, and so many agriculture teachers are telling that the basic need of the plants was a water, sunlight, soil, and the another major need of plant is gravitation. Gravitation is also a need of plant because gravitational means a pulling force. When a pulling force was act on the roots of the plant, it goes very deeply into the soil. This was useful to take so many minerals inside from the soil. And when the pulling force was act in the stem of the plant, it was very easy to grow more height. So this is the reason behind some plants grow more height and some plants are in less height. And so I'm telling that if we want to stand, we need energy. Energy means food. Food means the combination of the carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, nutrients, proteins. These all are getting from the plants. In this way also proved that agriculture is very important. So due to the more using of the plastic causes to pollution. So this pollution leads to land pollution. This land pollution leads to the decrease in crop production in the land. So it causes to our world was suffered with hungriness. Exactly on 1960, this was caused on the year. On that time, our people in the world was suffered with hungriness. So this began to catch the diseases easily. Exactly on that year, the dangerous disease was entered into the our world. That is malnutrition. This was very dangerous disease. When a person gets this disease, the person was died easily within 2 or 3 weeks. So it was very dangerous disease. So I am telling that when the crop production was decreased in the world for the land pollution, it was very easy to increase the price rates of the crop production. When the price rates were increased in the market, it was very easy to increase the using of the pesticides for farmers. So when the pesticides was used, it leads to harmful health issues in our health and in our body. So I am telling that the main and dangerous chemical, that is oxytocin chemical. Farmers are more used for this chemical to plants. This was very dangerous, and this chemical was responsible for the growth of the plant, taste of the fruits, shape of the vegetables. So when we eat food which was the cultivated by using this chemical, it leads to the hormone problem to both genders, male and female. So it leads to headache, liver problem, stomach problem, and kidney problem also. So this was very dangerous chemical, and it is also a reason to increase the malnutrition in the world. It catches diseases very easily. When we eating this food which was cultivated by oxytocin chemical, it was very dangerous, and it leads to decrease the immunity power in our humans. So I am telling that on that time it was very impossible to find the solution for this disease malnutrition, but it was possible with great Indian scientist M.S. Swaminathan and the great American scientist Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug was found the solution for this problem, that is seed grains. This seed grains was prepared with extra technological. When we are eating the food which was cultivated by this using seed grains, this was very useful for us. This was very healthy for us, and this was cultivated within taking less time, with taking less sunlight, with taking less water, with sudden outcome of this diseases causes to the mainly our body damage and mainly our economic strength was damaged to our countries and the mainly employment was damaged and the mainly the income was damaged in the countries. So I am telling that for you and to understand, let us take a present situation that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. When the Sri Lanka independent on 1948, Sri Lanka want to become a developed country. So if Sri Lanka wanted to become a developed country, it needs to collect money. So for this reason, Sri Lanka took more than 16 loans, approximately 5,000 crores now it is in. So on that time, it was very possible to clear that loans, but now it was impossible because of the last 3 years, Corona pandemic, lockdown time. This causes to the damage, economic strength was damaged in Sri Lanka. So when the Corona pandemic time was damaged to Sri Lanka, this was very difficult to import and exportations in Sri Lanka. So when the import and exportations was damaged in Sri Lanka, it leads to the food shortage mainly. Food shortage caused, cloth shortage was caused, and petrol shortage was caused. So when the petrol shortage was caused in Sri Lanka, this was a reason for two stoppages of this transportation. So when the transportation was stopped in Sri Lanka, it leads to the main accidents and it leads to the main the food was stopped in the food was blocked in some cities. So when the food was blocked, it was caused to the food shortage. When the food shortage was arised in Sri Lanka, it was easy to raise the price rates. So when the price rates was increased in Sri Lanka, now there is no another option to get food. They have to buy. So I am telling that please don't waste more food. Now this problem was may arise to Sri Lanka. Who knows? Tomorrow it was may arise to our India also. So I am telling that please don't waste more food and please cultivating the crops more and more. I am telling that if a developing country was support to for a plantation only for 50% only because it is a developing country or a developed country wants to support for a plantation 100% because it is a developed country. Developing country was supported only 50% to a plantation because that country wants to become a developed country because this is the reason if we my suggestion is that in my way that is wrong. In Bhutan there was a one world record that is all the people in the Bhutan was planted 432 trees in every 1 hour. This is the world record in the world. So I am telling that please use the useful land for the cultivation of the crops and plantation. This was very important for us and this led to decrease the pollution in the world. And I am telling that if we are using the industries for dry lands and drought lands, these lands are not useful for cultivating the crops and cultivating and plantation of the plants. So this was very useful to build industries in the drought lands. So this was very useful for us. When we are plant more trees in our country or in our world, it leads to decrease the pollution in the world. So I am telling that if a industrialist thinking that when he wants to build an industry, first of all, he don't want to think that about land. He think about that climate condition. Because if we want to build an industry in a country, this leads to the more pollution in the world. So I am telling that for you all to understand, let us take another example for this. That is Mukesh Ambani. He is a great industrialist in India. So he is the number one richest person in India. So he done that. Mukesh Ambani built an industry on so much of place, and the beside of the industry have so much of empty land. And after this so many years, Mukesh Ambani got one police complaint. That is when the industry's wastes causes to the land pollution. Beside the land was polluted. So Mukesh Ambani thinking that and he buy that land along all the land he buy and he tell to that landowner this land is mine. So when he buy that land, he placed mango forest on that land. So when he placed a mango forest to the less pollution. So when the industry wastes was increased on that place, it leads to again recycle and it leads to the less pollution on that land. So it causes a recycling process. So I am telling that if we want to build an industry, first of all, we have to see the atmosphere condition of that place. So it was very easy to increase the economic strength. It was very easy to increase the economic and employment. It was very easy to